The smell of salt, the breeze, and the sun. The friendly welcome party that everyone needs from a good beach town. Few things fill the soul like waking up in the morning and walking on the wet sand with bare feet, seeing the sunrise and its splendor at full spectrum. Only the ocean can do that. Newport Beach is part of the coastline belonging to Orange County in Southern California. Known for its sandy beaches, gentle swimming waters, and fertile seas, Newport sits at the top of any beach enthusiast's bucket list. The beaches are also visited by migratory water birds, which nest in conservation areas, which are closed off to beachgoers. Some birds are endangered, like the Ridgway's rail, California tern, along with some cormorants, herons, and egrets. There's many other species of gulls and pelicans. These warm blue waters are rich in kelp, and they attract fish and crustaceans, which these birds need to feed on in order to live. The architecture here is beautiful and creative, and there are many beachfront houses for rent. White sand beaches and blue beautiful waves within a few steps make this a hotspot for surfing. A highlight of Newport is the Newport Pier, which is a great place for fishing of all types. From open sea fishing to surf fishing, everything is available here. The pier is a great spot for catching rockfish and whitefish, along with calico bass and sand bass. Other more exotic species include stingrays, guitarfish, and thresher sharks. Down the way from the pier, you can book whale watching tours and charter fishing trips for full day, half day, or overnight, which are really fun. There are boat and kayak rentals as well for a good workout and a closer look at the harbor. You can find whales and dolphins in these waters in the summer months, and it's not uncommon to see many dolphins chasing boats on the harbor. The harbor area of Newport is very visitor friendly, with plenty of places to shop and eat. The vibe here is unique and a staple to California beach towns. You can take a guided tour of the bay, or just walk along the many beautiful walkways and promenades that adorn the path of the harbor. The Marina is one of the most beautiful, and there are many parks along the Balboa Island and Balboa Marina to have a picnic or to swim and kayak. Sometimes it's easy to forget what you have living so close to paradise, and it can be taken for granted, but I honestly believe in my heart that it is indeed truly a blessing to be able to live so close to here. I remember when I was younger, in my teenage years, making the bus ride here whenever I could to catch waves or watch the sunset. Sometimes just to think and ponder. I biked here down the Santa Ana River Trail, which connects the beaches to nearby cities. Sometimes just got a ride with a friend. No matter how I could make it, if I could, I would. And oddly, I found myself here for no particular reason other than the sea, the breeze, the sky, and the sounds. The buzz of the beach crowd or the energy of a nearby volleyball game. There's always a reason to come. Going to inspiration points south of the pier was always a highlight. Many people come here to take photos and video, as the rock formations and the luxury homes make a great backdrop for many different situations. It's very common to see wedding parties, production crews, and other type of gatherings taking advantage of the views, taking memories with them of our beautiful home, spreading the rumor of a little piece of heaven here in Southern California. The crowds, the goals, and the weed-filled bonfires near the beach included.
Thank you for watching. If you like what you see and what you hear, please give me a like and a follow. Hit subscribe and the bell to not miss future episodes. Thank you.